18 this morning. In Wyandotte County specifically, the health department says it's ahead of the state's pace on administering first doses of the COVID-19 vaccine. Leaders say that's thanks in part to opening clinics to walk-in appointments early on.
41 Action News reporter Charlie Keegan explains how the county was able to move to walk-ins ahead of any other health department in our area.
The strategy for Wyandotte County has been to remove any barriers that might keep someone from coming to a vaccine clinic like the National Guard Armory here behind me. And, using a computer or a phone to schedule an appointment, that could be a barrier. Or even scheduling a time for someone with an unpredictable schedule, that could also be a barrier. So last month, the county opened up all 3 of its vaccination clinics to walk-ins for all eligible people. And they are, of course, still accepting some appointments, but the results have been better than the county expected. It's been able to vaccinate about 1,000 people per day and manage supply, so they haven't had to turn away any walk-ins.
We've never run out. We've come close a couple times. I think is probably the sign of success for the operation when we're distributing all the vaccine that we're issued from KDHE.
Let's look at the numbers. Wyandotte County has a higher rate of first doses than the state of Kansas as a whole. The county is a little behind the state, though, on second doses. And Douglas County has the highest rate of vaccination. But Wyandotte County argues it's not so much how many people you're vaccinating, but which people. The county actually used a computer algorithm to identify the 3 zip codes in Wyandotte County which were hit hardest by the pandemic, and then targeted outreach in those neighborhoods to make sure the people living there were some of the first in line to get the vaccine so they could get some protection from the virus. They say through that process they've actually created the most equitable and efficient vaccine rollout in the country. In KCK, I'm Charlie Keegan, 41 Action News Today.
All right, Charlie, thank you. There are more vaccine events around the area that we want to highlight for you this morning. The Kansas City Health Department says it has vaccine appointments available at its 3 clinics.
They're at Smith Hill Middle School, the former Gen X store on Prospect Avenue, and the Bruce Watkins Cultural Center. So here are those addresses for you right now. They're on your screen. They are open Tuesdays through Fridays from 9:30 to noon, and again in the afternoon from 1 to 4. To make an appointment, you can visit the kcmo.gov/coronavirus website. Click on the day you'd like to go, and it'll take you to a form to sign up. You can also call 311 for help signing up. The City of Independence will continue hosting a vaccination event at the old Macy's at Independence Center. Today it's from 1 to 3 and only for people 18 and older. Wednesday through Friday it's from noon to 5, anyone 16 and older. Walk-in appointments are available.
For folks in Johnson County, the health department has appointments this week at its Lenexa vaccination site. It's for anyone who lives or works in the county. You just have to fill out the interest form on the Johnson County website, and they'll contact you to make an appointment. On that website, you'll also find links to sign up through healthcare system or a pharmacy. You can also call 913-715-2819 if you need some help. The county also launched a new website to make it easier to make an appointment to get your vaccine. The website opens appointments up for 2 weeks at a time and has the information in English and Spanish. The website is joco.gov/COVID vaccine. For teenagers 16 and up, Children's Mercy is hosting vaccination clinics. There's one today from 2 to 8, and there's some more next week. We have a link for you to register right now on our website, kshb.com.